Hello, beautiful viewers of DG Online TV. We welcome you to one of our ongoing projects here in Brikama. To be precise, Kiti. Here is a renovation of the bathroom of one master bedroom. Yes. So you can see we just try to change the entire system. The bathroom was actually a smaller one. We extended the bathroom through the side. Here, this used to be the corridor from here. As you can see to the far end, it used to be the corridor outside. There was a back door here to the corridor, and now you just canceled that one and extended the bathroom. Extended the bathroom through the corridor. So as you can see, this is where we expect to put the bathtub. This is where the bathtub is supposed to be. By tomorrow, this one will be completed. The tiling will be completed, and this other side is expected to have the shower. And this table here, this one is a table that the customer can put whatever thing he or she has it for bathroom users. You can place anything on top of this table. See the quality of the tile that we purchased here. We said it earlier that if you want to have the best quality work, contact DG Construction and Real Estate. DGTV is a subsidiary of DG Construction and Real Estate Company Limited. So whatever DGTV does is in partnership with DG Construction. Yeah, as you can see, look at the quality of this tile. One of the most thickest. It's a quality tile. Once you place it, you can hit it anyhow without breaking. That's what you call quality tile. But you don't purchase tile that when the tile man hit it breaks. So that's not the best of tile. Why? We might be expensive, but we give you the quality. So if you have a smaller bathroom, you want to extend it to bigger one, contact DG. They are the best in terms of renovations. Rather, if you have a full compound that you want to renovate to a first-class structure, if you want to renovate your house or your entire compound to a first-class structure, contact DGTV, DG Construction and Real Estate Company Limited, in association with DGTV. We can sell you, give you the best of quality that you need. So as you can see, by tomorrow, this side will be completed. This should be completed, and then the ground floor. So what will be left is outside. Outside will be left for this shop, for tiling. By tomorrow, we believe all the work inside should be finished. So if you're looking for best job, if you're looking for better renovations, if you want to renovate your house to first-class standard, your master bedroom to a first-class standard, your entire compound to a first-class standard, you want to do renovation, contact DG. Forget about the cost. But what you have in return is quality. So with quality, cost is just aside. I just said earlier. So this is where you're supposed to have the wash and base. This is where you're supposed to have the wash and base. And then here is where you're supposed to have the toilet. Where is it? Okay, behind the toilet. This is where the toilet is supposed to be. But there will be there will be a shower cage. There will be a glass to separate the bathtub and the shower. So you can be in the shower while the other one can be in the bathtub. Someone is using someone is using the wash and base. No one is just stopping the other. In fact, 3 or 4 people can use it simultaneously. The same bathroom, maximum 3 people can use it at the same time, without the other one disturbing the other. No one disturb the comfort of the other. So if you want the quality, come to DG Construction and Real Estate. We're here to make Gambians. Give them what they want. Mbali ngol mbale bil camera nyem mona project ko dolt. Comme ka sudan direct ne fa bungolo ay nyinya. Ila bungo yalo akay fe la fa garo no vet ay correct. DG Construction Company I contact. Itolle ka bungo kende mahalo. Itole ka renovation kende make ila bongo manitale ila fika nyiyende wala kototale ila fuka nyiyande do gare contact diji ngo nga tala men sambuka tal sande talo ni ka sa tal kende ko sa customer na ko dila give him or her the best of quality. Let him or her feel the cost of the money he give it to you. Look at this style. Intalo jubo. Intalo wala fembe nyina. Nyi na sakita for payroll. Okay. Talo thickness jubo. Look at the thickness. Talo waro jube. Nyina tile out. Kenyo kuma tile out. But talo mena kuni talo mana la konkom afka fete. No, mtol bi mbuko di customer. E nyongo jele. Jamu batopo kasija. Ni fa safa waro. Moye la kono e balo frende nyawa ja diate ise tar jang mun do tar sawato ñene kala sawat atabe tala jan comfortable be ko mota adi stop la yaajal so ñindo kamo be lola jan ñin fam ko yaajal kamo be lola woto ena fo jang ena 5 so yaajal tumando bada mo woro lola mo nani wala mo saba ak futa ñana mo sabo be so jonko use nonya ñola kilima kilim batan mo be so comfortable use ila fa ñana angel ñing nga ñing kele comme jonko sawa ñing ko no customer se fellaje comme al jonko ne fe wala amalla fi ke samba banta ise be la kono doja ye kuja ne pare la ndija na da defa ise kuno ise sino ko ye kuja abe kele nko ne fa kenne ma lo la diji construction real estate ito le ano mo kanene wali ito sadi la aftara nyame oto mbelo la jam fo wado to mando ni nyam banta mbena update di lalla akene ma fon ni nyam bada kala master class la xal be je faran inshallah ni ala sunna okay until then assalamu alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh